Nadine Gordimer's Once Upon a Time is a short story that critiques fear and societal divisions through a modern fairy tale. The story begins with a narrator who, unable to sleep due to strange noise, decides to tell herself a story. In this tale, a white family lives in a racially divided society gripped by fear or crime. To protect themselves, they install layers of security, high walls, alarms, and eventually razor wire atop their fence. These measures isolate them from the outside world and reflect their growing paranoia. Their young son, curious and imaginative, views the security features as a part of a fairy tale adventure. Tragically, while pretending to be a heroic prince, he climbs the razor wire and he suffers fatal injuries. The story ends on a grim note, underscoring the destructive consequences of fear and the futility of trying to achieve absolute security through isolation. Once upon a time, the story presents about the risks of fear and overprotectiveness. The family built a protection or safety, but this is the way to lose their own son. It shows how fear can isolate people and lead to their downfall. The lesson suggests that living in fear can trap people, making them prisoners of their own actions. The short story, Once Upon a Time, written by Nadine Gordimer, explores the challenges of living with anxiety in a society characterized by fear. The other themes that can be seen in the story are loss and grief. The narrative focuses on the family and their struggles to protect themselves from their neighbors. Despite fortifying their home with security bars, doors, and windows, tragedy strikes, leading to the loss of their son, serve as poignant reminder of the unintended consequences of their efforts. The story imparts a valuable lesson. Rather than isolating ourselves from society, it is essential to embrace and understand the diverse cultures within our community.